You didn't come here by accident. Not this video, not this moment. You didn't just pause. Heaven placed a hand on your heart and said, stay. This isn't about a message. This is about rescue, about truth, about God reaching through all the noise to get to the one part of you that still hopes, still aches, still remembers what his voice sounds like when you slow down long enough to hear it. You weren't looking for this, but your soul was. And I need to say it clearly, lovingly, but boldly. If you keep scrolling past the very voice that's trying to save you, it'll cost you something. Something deeper than attention. Something eternal. It won't cost you in dollars or reputation. It'll cost you peace. It'll cost you clarity. It'll cost you the ability to feel. Because when you silence conviction long enough, numbness settles in. And numbness is how the enemy wins. Not by screaming lies in your face, but by gently lulling you to sleep. One scroll at a time. You won't even notice it at first. You'll just feel dull. You'll smile on the outside, but something inside you will grow quiet. That quiet becomes cold. That cold becomes distance. And that distance becomes a new normal you were never created for. You'll function, you'll post, you'll work, you'll joke, but somewhere deep inside you'll know something holy got left behind. And I've been watching you. Not with anger, not from far away. I've been closer than you've realized. I've watched you search for something in your scrolling, something real, something that breaks through the numbness, something that reminds you you're still alive inside. I've seen the tears you wipe away quietly when the noise finally dies down. I've seen the moments when you pause just for a second and your spirit whispers, God, are you still there, unchild? Yes, I am. I'm still here, still whispering, still loving you, still waiting. And right now, this is me, interrupting your escape, not to shame you, but to save you, because you're carrying more than anyone knows. You're holding so many pieces together and hoping nobody sees the cracks. You've smiled when you wanted to scream. You've helped others while silently wondering who's going to help you. You've prayed, but lately it's felt hollow. You've asked for peace, but all you've gotten is more noise. And the enemy has used that silence to lie to you. He's whispered that I'm far, that you failed, that you're too far gone, but none of that is true. You're not too far. You're not too late. You're not disqualified. You're not forgotten. You're just distracted. And I came to bring you back. Not to religion, not to rules, to me, to stillness, to the version of you that remembers how to hear me in the quiet, to the child who used to believe I could still do miracles, to the soul that used to cry during worship, not because of emotion, but because you could feel me there. I miss that part of you. And I know you do too. You've tried everything else, the grind, the hustle, the avoidance, the success, the silence, but none of it has healed you. You've climbed ladders that led to nowhere. You've chased voices that never called your name. You've filled your life with everything but me, and now you're tired. Not just physically, but spiritually, emotionally, deep in your bones. And that tired isn't from doing too much. It's from being disconnected for too long. You were never meant to carry all this without me. I don't need you to fix it first. I'm not asking for perfection. I'm asking for permission. Let me in again. Let me hold the part of you you're afraid to show anyone. Let me speak into the wounds you've tried to cover. Because you can keep scrolling. You can keep running. You can keep telling yourself you'll get serious about God tomorrow, but how many tomorrows have already passed you by? How many moments like this have you ignored, hoping you'd be ready later? What if this is your later? What if this right here is the mercy you prayed for in silence? Don't wait for another rock bottom. Don't wait for the pain to get worse. Don't wait until the numbness becomes permanent, because I'm not asking you to be fixed. I'm asking you to be found. You've been missing from your own life. Present in the room, but absent in your soul. Smiling in the light, but sinking in the dark. And I can't force you to come home, but I can call, and I am. Right now. And listen, if you're still here, if you're still watching, reading, breathing in this moment, then something inside you already knows. This is the voice you've needed, not mine. God's, your Father, your Creator, the one who still calls you by your true name, not the name your failure gave you, not the name your trauma gave you, not the label people put on you, but the name I gave you, beloved. So pause, breathe, let that truth dig deep. Let it shatter the lie that you're too messed up, too tired, too dirty, too late. You're not. You're chosen, you're pursued, you're seen, you're loved. And right now, if you'll just say yes, I'll come rushing back in. I haven't been waiting to punish you, I've been waiting to hold you. I haven't been watching to judge. I've been waiting to restore, and you don't have to earn your way back. You just have to turn away from the noise, from the fear, from the lie that scrolling can soothe your soul. Turn toward my voice, toward my love, toward the healing you stopped believing was possible. I'll carry you the rest of the way. If your heart feels heavy right now, don't hold it in. Comment, God, I'm listening. Don't just feel this, follow it. Let this be the moment heaven records as the start of your return. If someone you know is hurting, send this. Not next week. Not later. Now. Someone's breakthrough could begin with one message, and you might be the one carrying it. Subscribe to Jesus Elided Faith, because what you're feeling right now, this is where it happens. Every time. When God meets the hurting in their realest moment and says, I still want you. You weren't just scrolling, you were being spoken to. You weren't just pausing, you were being held. You're not just emotional, you're being awakened. This isn't random, it's rescue. Don't ignore it, don't escape it, don't shrink from it. Breathe, let it break you, let it build you. Whisper it now. God, I'm still here. Or maybe even softer. God, I made it back.